You used to walk with strength and confidence, but now, every step feels a little heavier, a little slower. What if two common vitamins you trust are quietly stealing your leg strength after 60? Don't let these hidden culprits hold you back from the active, independent life you deserve. As we start aging, staying active and mobile becomes one of the most precious gifts we can give ourselves. Every step, every walk in the park, and every moment spent on your feet is a reminder of your independence. But what if something you've been taking, thinking it's good for your health, is actually working against you? Many seniors take vitamins daily, believing they're helping their bodies stay strong. But not all supplements are created equal. In fact, some of the most commonly consumed vitamins can do more harm than good, especially when it comes to your legs, muscles, and mobility. In this video, we'll uncover the 2 worst vitamins that may be silently weakening your legs after 60. You'll learn how they affect your muscles, why they're especially risky for older adults, and what you can do instead to support your body naturally and safely. Don't miss this, because your strength, independence, and vitality are worth protecting. Number 1. Synthetic vitamin E, a hidden threat to senior muscle health. Vitamin E is often marketed as a powerful antioxidant, essential for immune health, skin, vision, and most importantly, muscle function. But what many seniors don't realize is that not all vitamin E is created equal. In particular, synthetic vitamin E, labeled as DL-alpha tocopherol, may actually do more harm than good, especially when it comes to leg strength, mobility, and overall muscular function in people over 60. Understanding the difference. Natural versus synthetic vitamin E. Vitamin E exists in 8 different forms, but the most biologically active and commonly supplemented version is alpha tocopherol. This is where things get tricky. Natural vitamin E is labeled as D-alpha tocopherol. It is derived from plant oils and is better recognized and used by the human body. Synthetic vitamin E is labeled as DL-alpha tocopherol. It is made through chemical synthesis and is a mixture of 8 stereoisomers, some of which the body doesn't absorb or utilize efficiently. According to research, the bioavailability of synthetic vitamin E is significantly lower than that of its natural counterpart. In fact, the body may absorb and retain only about 50 to 70% of synthetic vitamin E compared to natural forms. Muscle health and oxidative stress in seniors. As we age, our muscles are more susceptible to oxidative stress, a process where unstable molecules called free radicals damage muscle cells. This damage contributes to muscle loss, sarcopenia, a condition that impacts strength, balance, and mobility in older adults. Vitamin E, especially in its natural form, has been shown to protect muscles from oxidative damage by neutralizing these free radicals. However, synthetic vitamin E may fail to offer the same protection. A 2010 study published in the American Journal of Clinical Nutrition found that higher intakes of natural vitamin E were associated with better physical performance in older adults. Conversely, high-dose synthetic vitamin E supplementation has not demonstrated consistent benefits for muscle health and may even interfere with the body's natural antioxidant defense mechanisms. Limited effectiveness. Because the body doesn't absorb and utilize DL-alpha tocopherol efficiently, seniors who rely on this form may not be getting the antioxidant support they need. This can lead to increased oxidative stress, weakened muscles, greater risk of mobility loss and frailty, possible medication interactions. Synthetic vitamin E in high doses can interfere with medications that many seniors already take, such as blood thinners, like warfarin, increasing the risk of internal bleeding, statins, reducing their efficacy, chemotherapy drugs, potentially lowering their therapeutic effects. Oversupplementation danger. Many over-the-counter multivitamins contain synthetic vitamin E. Without checking labels, seniors may unknowingly exceed safe intake levels, increasing risks without realizing it. What seniors should do instead. Choose supplements that list D-alpha tocopherol, not DL-alpha tocopherol. Focus on vitamin E-rich whole foods, such as almonds, sunflower seeds, spinach, avocados, olive oil. Speak to a healthcare provider before adding or adjusting any supplements, especially if you're on medications. At first glance, a vitamin might seem harmless, or even helpful. But for older adults, taking the wrong form of a nutrient like vitamin E can quietly erode your strength, balance, and independence. Knowledge is power, and with the right information, you can make choices that truly support your health, not sabotage it. Number 1. Number 2. Excessive calcium supplementation without adequate magnesium. The silent muscle saboteur after 60. Calcium has long been championed as the bone health mineral, especially for seniors concerned about osteoporosis and fractures. But here's what many older adults don't realize. Taking too much calcium, without balancing it with enough magnesium, can actually hurt your muscles, not help them. This imbalance can silently weaken your legs, drain your energy, and even trigger serious health complications. The calcium-magnesium connection. Why balance matters. Calcium and magnesium are two essential minerals that work synergistically in the body, particularly when it comes to muscle contraction and relaxation. Calcium triggers muscle contraction. Magnesium is needed for muscle relaxation. If your calcium levels are high and magnesium is low, your muscles may stay in a constant state of contraction, leading to muscle cramps, tightness and stiffness, fatigue and weakness, loss of coordination in the legs and lower body. This is especially dangerous for seniors, whose muscle mass and flexibility are already in gradual decline due to aging. Research insights and medical evidence. Muscle health and leg weakness. A review published in the journal Nutrients, 2017, highlighted that magnesium deficiency in older adults is linked to reduced muscle performance, increased risk of sarcopenia, age-related muscle loss, and poor mobility. When magnesium is too low, excess calcium can accumulate in soft tissues, including muscles, where it may cause calcification, hardening, or improper mineral buildup that reduces flexibility and function. Calcium absorption issues. Magnesium is essential for activating vitamin D, which in turn helps your body absorb calcium properly. Without enough magnesium, calcium can build up in your bloodstream rather than being directed into bones, defeating the very purpose of supplementation. Potential risks of overdoing calcium without magnesium. Hypercalcemia, too much calcium in the blood. When calcium builds up in the bloodstream due to improper absorption, it can lead to hypercalcemia, a condition with symptoms such as muscle weakness, fatigue, confusion or irritability, irregular heartbeats. In severe cases, cardiac arrest. According to the National Institutes of Health, one of the common causes of hypercalcemia is supplement overuse, especially in the absence of balancing nutrients like magnesium and vitamin D. Kidney stones. Excess calcium that is not utilized by bones may be excreted through the kidneys, where it can form calcium oxalate stones. Seniors who are dehydrated or on certain medications, like diuretics, are especially at risk. Magnesium plays a protective role here, helping to prevent stone formation by keeping calcium dissolved in the urine. Poor circulation and nerve function. Low magnesium levels can also impair nerve signaling, making it harder for your legs to respond quickly or maintain balance, contributing to falls or walking difficulties. What should seniors do instead? Aim for a healthy ratio. Experts recommend a 2-to-1 calcium to magnesium ratio, or ideally about 1,000 to 1,200 milligrams of calcium, 400 to 600 milligrams of magnesium daily, from food or supplements combined. Eat magnesium-rich foods. Incorporate foods like pumpkin seeds, almonds, leafy greens, like spinach, kale, black beans, whole grains like quinoa, brown rice. Avoid calcium-only supplements. Instead, choose balanced formulations that contain magnesium, vitamin D, and vitamin K2, which directs calcium to the bones. Consult your doctor. Especially if you're already taking calcium supplements or medications that affect electrolyte balance, e.g., diuretics, blood pressure meds, it's important to discuss your electrolyte profile and blood tests with a healthcare provider. While you may be taking calcium to protect your bones, neglecting magnesium can slowly steal your muscle strength, flexibility, and balance, the very things that allow you to live independently and move freely. Muscle cramps, leg weakness, fatigue. These aren't just signs of aging, they could be your body's way of asking for balance. Don't let one helpful mineral become harmful. Balance is everything, especially after 60. It's easy to assume that leg weakness, fatigue, or muscle cramps are just an unavoidable part of getting older. But the truth is, your body is speaking to you, and often, it's nutrient imbalances that are whispering or shouting through those symptoms. We've uncovered two silent saboteurs that many seniors unknowingly invite into their daily routine. Synthetic vitamin E, a lesser, artificial form that fails to offer the antioxidant protection your muscles desperately need, and may even interfere with circulation and recovery. Excessive calcium without magnesium, a dangerous imbalance that can rob your muscles of strength, increase cramping, and lead to soft tissue calcification or kidney stones. And the most concerning part: these are supplements most people believe are helping them. But now, you know better. You now understand that not all vitamins are created equal, and more doesn't always mean better. For your muscles to stay strong, your legs to keep moving confidently, and your independence to remain intact, you need balance, knowledge, and smarter choices. Protect your strength, starting today. Before you take your next supplement, flip the label. Is this the natural or synthetic form of vitamin E? Does my calcium supplement also contain magnesium? Am I addressing root causes, or just guessing? Your legs carry you through life. They climb stairs, take you on walks, and let you hug your grandchildren. Don't let misinformation or the wrong supplements quietly take that strength away. Make an appointment with your doctor or a nutrition specialist today. Get your blood work done. Reevaluate your supplement shelf. And if you found this information helpful, share it with a friend or family member who needs to hear it. Drop a comment below if you've experienced muscle weakness or supplement confusion, and let's support each other on this journey to stronger, healthier living after 60. Subscribe for more science-backed tips to protect your strength, mobility, and independence as you age gracefully, with confidence. You don't have to feel older than you are.